Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to block someone on Messenger. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first, you want to open your Messenger app. Then go ahead and click on those three little lines on the upper left side of your screen. And then click on the settings button. So here, you just want to go ahead and click on privacy and safety. Then here you can see blocked accounts. Then just go ahead and click add, and then choose or type the name of the person that you want to block. And then here you can just block messages and call, or block on Facebook. So just gonna block that person on Facebook, then just click block, and then just click done. Then that's how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.